grizzly like a grizzly bear. Kidnap your old ass
and knock you out there.
I drop bass like clumsy boys drop dinner place. I eat a meal, spend it, bill, my nigga, I am feeling great. Steady nigga, hard body, a monster like the Loch Ness. But Tomo stood on y'all shoulders, still couldn't block this. Even a red light, a stop light couldn't stop this. On point that even brilliant air words couldn't drop this.
Bitch. Hey, let go, let go, let go, let go.
I keep a bolo, man, moving like an immigrant. No games, I start, no pause, cause I just finished it. That point period, I finish nigga like sentences. Kill your offense and your coach and leave your ass defenseless. I keep a bottle coming like you booed at the Apollo. Digging Moscato ain't the only thing to swallow. You jogging off time, quit playing with yourself. Fuck it, put a quarter in your ass cause you just played yourself, nigga. Levi, yes, high top. Killing them, yes, why not? No doubt, I just shot behind bars like joint pop. Break it down like top shop. AK just top top. Expose niggas like ugly. Yes, D. Flip flops. Cover you like high stocks. No joke, just knock knock. In and out like game spot. On skin clock, his next stop. I ain't even gonna 15.